Good afternoon and welcome to the video biology tutorial on using Flickr and uploading images into Flickr for the project. First of all, thank you very much for having taken part. We will be, if you haven't had already, please do send us an email and we will send you the logins to this page. This is for teachers only, not for students to use. When you get into Flickr, once you've logged in, you'll see there you go immediately to what is called the photo stream view, which is here. The one we use mainly is the album view, and I'll go over to that now, because that actually breaks up there's now 789 photos you see, but breaks it up into categories, which means it's much more usable and much easier to find particular photos. Now let's have a go at uploading a picture, and we do that through this upload button, which is over here on the right. And when you get into there, you'll see it says choose photos and videos to upload. So let's do that. And I've got this pre-prepared. This is actually a box where I keep images for the project. So I'm going to upload this nice gentlemanly gorilla. And he's uploading here. You can upload more than one image at a time, so you could do multiple images here. I don't edit on this particular page. I actually upload them first, because what happens here, this is just taking a preview, so let's actually upload this. This could be one item or multiple items, so let's do that now. And that's now uploaded, and we can see that picture here, which is now in the photo stream view. So let's do that little bit of editing that we can do. Let's click on the gorilla, there he is. Now just below that image you'll find the editing possibilities. Now the first thing we can do is add a name. I've already added one, which is gorilla, and we can add a description. Let's put primates. Okay, so primates done. Over here we need to say and change the rights. This is because all the work that's in European projects must be shareable by all the schools of Europe. So what we do, we put what's called a Creative Commons license to that picture, and we use this one, which is attribution, non-commercial, share alike. And if you go to Creative Commons, you'll understand how all this works. So let's do that. The next and most important thing to do is, it's a critical item, is add that picture to the either existing albums, or you could create a new album. Now you can actually add to more than one album at a time. I'm actually going to add this one to, if I can find it, to, well, let's say it's 137 School Bulgaria, and let's also add it to primates, if I can find it down here in time. There it is. Okay. So we're going to add that to those two albums. You can see it's in primates and in 137 School Bulgaria. We can also add tags. So again, it's more findable. We could put apes, gorilla, or whatever else we want to add. We can also put the photo into a map. And I've actually already got this map open at Sofia. So let's say this picture was actually taken in Sofia Zoo. So we can zoom into Sofia a little bit. I don't know where Sofia Zoo is exactly. I'm sorry. So I'm just going to pop it into Sofia. And you just drag that over there onto the map and return that. And then we go back to where we were before. If you have any questions about any of this process or uploading, do please ask us. You can contact us on the website or directly to your local partner or to myself, joel@kindersite.info, and I've got that written down at the end of the video. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye.